Today, I'm tackling a crucial yet often overlooked task: changing the HVAC filter in your home. Not only is this essential for maintaining air quality, it also keeps your system running efficiently. And stick around until the end. I'll show you a simple trick that will save you time and hassle later on. So again, be sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First things first, let's gather the tools. You'll need a ladder or step stool, a cleaning cloth, a new filter that matches your system's specifications, a tape measure, and a marker. Set up your ladder. Carefully position your ladder near the return grill. Typically, this is a large metal square on the wall or ceiling. Make sure your ladder is stable. Next, open the return grill and slide out the old filter. Clean the return grill. Dust and debris can accumulate here, so give it a good wipe down to prevent any contaminants from entering your system. We're now ready to change the filter. Take a moment to compare it with the new one to ensure it's the right fit and orientation. The arrows on the frame will guide you. And here's a simple trick. Take your marker pen and write today's date on the edge of the filter. That way, you'll always know exactly when you last changed it, helping you stay on top of regular maintenance without guessing. Gently slide the new filter into place, making sure it's snug and correctly aligned. And just like that, you've successfully changed your HVAC filter. Way to go. Remember, it's crucial to do this regularly to keep your air clean and your AC system running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. This video was brought to you by Pure Plumbing and Air in Las Vegas. If you need help with any plumbing, heating, or cooling anywhere in Las Vegas or Henderson, give us a call at 702-534-1910. And remember, if you've got to be sure, call Pure.